welcome to my first vlog. Today we're going to be going to check on a baby bird that I found a couple months ago. I haven't checked on it yet. Hey, stop doing your intro without me.
Who cares? Hey, where's the bike? I'll come back when I can find the bike.
Okay, it's over here. Hold up.
Hey, wait! I've seen this jet ski before. I saw this on the lake.
Okay, we gotta get on our bike.
No.
You gotta find it.
No, legit. That jet ski saved our boat.
Make it in.
Hunter.
Make it in.
Hunter.
What?
That jet ski saved our boat once.
Cool. My dad was working on it.
When it
He hasn't
stalled.
worked on it in a while though.
Alright, where's the bike guy?
It's over here.
Oliver, isn't that
Dude, the bike's over here. It's the gray one that's on the ground. I get this sick lime green one. I get this sick lime green one. He gets that gray one over there. Dude, that one doesn't have any brakes.
Which one?
The gray one right there.
What gray one?
The gray one that's by your feet. That's the only gray one that's over there. He's messed up. Messed up. Let's go, guys. Oh yeah, Alex. You like what I'm wearing? He doesn't like them. Come on, dude, let's go. Hurry up. Whoa, Aubrey, move. Alex, hurry up. Hey, guys. Today, we're going to be climbing a tree to go check on that bird. It's going to be sick. Yeah, you sure have the need for speed. I'm going faster than you right now. Wow. Selfish little rat. Has to get in front of me every time. Move aside! No! Don't run into me. I don't feel like crashing. Dude, it's like 60 degrees here. I'm in a short sleeve shirt with gym shorts on. It's cold. And I'm riding a bike too. Into the wind. Okay, coming here to a stop. For any time in this tree, it's like 30 feet big. 30 feet big, I'd say. We're just gonna lay our bike down, my bike down over here. So, starting climbing. Let's see if we can make it to the bird's nest. I checked on it a while ago. Or I checked on it like a couple months ago. And the bird had just hatched and all. So it was really tiny. I want to see what it looks like now. If the bird is like taking flight or something. Sure, it has. But, can't be sure. Oh, this is hard to climb in flip-flops. He's had absolutely no grip at all. I feel like with every step, I slip.
No, I'm starting to climb it.
Aubrey, no, you're too little. Aubrey, you have to climb like 20 feet.
I'm not climbing 20.
You're 6 years old. Stop. It's gonna be hard to do with one hand. Oh gosh. Oh, this is hard. I have to use like all of my upper body strength to do this. Core strength too. Oh god.
Alex, hurry up!
By the way, like and subscribe if you want to see more vlogs. Set you up right here. Make sure that you won't fall. Almost there. I can kind of see it. Still got like 10 feet to go though. Oh, this is so hard. I'm looking down at you right now. If you're scared of heights, turn it off right now.
Hi, Alex.
Don't know if you saw him or not, but right there. Yep, I'm like 10 feet up it. Like you could have.
You didn't tell me where it was. That thing really is small.
Wait right here, guys. See you in a minute. Ah! Oh, shoot, this sucks. Yeah. Oh! 5 feet. More than that, actually. It's like 6 feet. I don't know, but I'm doing it with the phone and in flip-flops. I'm a monkey. I'm not a monkey. Oh, God. Yeah, well, I'm vlogging right now, so... Alex, I'm vlogging right now. Oh, this is hard. By the way, tomorrow, we'll be doing some more vlogs with Alex. He's staying the night tonight. Yeah. Oh, dude, my mom doesn't care what I do. Yeah, as long as I just don't leave the neighborhood. Okay, like, I have like 3 feet. That's the bird's nest right there. Don't know if you saw that. Oh, yeah, you can see that. Lay down right here. Don't fall. Okay, guys? If you fall, it's going to be bad. Dude, I find... Exactly. Risk. It's all about risk. Don't want to risk you falling, though. If you fall, I won't be able to make vids for a while. Oh, gosh. Ow. This hurts my buttocks. So I can check on the bird's nest. Oh, no birdie. Well, usually, guys, he'll sleep like right here. But I'm not here right now, so see you when I get there.